It's Yamaha versus Suzuki. Never surrender. Never back down. Never surrender.
Come on now, man. My money on the Lexus. Hey, my money on that. My money on the Lexus. My money on that. What's man, my money on you? Alright. Who that one is important? Good evening.
Who you putting your money on? Joshua, I go in experience. I go in experience. Nothing saying again. Not a word, not a letter. It's the Lexus versus the BMW. Oh boy. He said he didn't see the lights. Hold on. He said he don't see the lights. He said the light was green.
Yeah, he missed
it.
it. What happened?
He said he didn't see the green light.
Okay.
Sure, I saw it.
Yeah.
Never back down, never surrender.
Line them up.
Hold on.
So he didn't see the light, guys. They're gonna do it again. Hopefully you can see it on Aerial Dominica as well. So check that out. Okay, they're back again.
Foxy King, all the way from Marigot. We have Marigot versus Roseau. We have the Northeast versus the Central. Oh, building right now.
Oh. Good. Yeah. Come back. Yeah.
They got your foot on the brakes. Foxy King, what happened to you?
Yeah, you waiting for me?
Foxy King, you do the best one. Give him a test drive there. Give him a test drive there.
Let it run.
Give him a testing there. Hold on, show me.
So nice. What is that? What you doing?
He's green. I'm waiting for the final answer. So you ready? Never know what you are. For your answer. Never know what you I don't know about you, but I'm excited right about now. It's 6:35 in the evening. Only know you when you have something to do.
Come on.
Line them up. You can't see him. You can't see him on the line.
Live in the building.
Wow! Rams!
Oh, you can do a run?
Ball, please.
You can do a run? Let me catch you in the air.
Line them up 2026. Comes alive. Turn number 1.
What you say?
Don't blink when the money goes on the run. That's how we doing it right here. Automotive Alliance. Line them up.
So we have a dry run going to happen there?
Yeah,
Dry run, okay. Entertainment vibe, okay, cool. Easy. Money cool.
Exhibition run, man.
Yeah, okay. Alright, cool.
One of our top sponsors, by the way.
Huh?
What are you saying, King? Okay, my boy. Get your cameras ready. Oswald is outside with the Civic. This is not for the faint at heart. This is not for the faint at heart. If your heart not strong,
I'm gonna move on soft boy. I better use soft man.